Hey guys, so it's your girl Amina back again with another delicious recipe. Today, as you can see, we're making strawberry shortcake. It's really easy and simple to bake this cake, and the funny thing is that I just learned how to bake about 2 to 3 months ago, and now I'm baking like a pro. Okay, so maybe not a pro, but I'm getting there. So let's get started. So you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm sifting to get rid of any lumps. Also, when mixing the ingredients together, it makes it easier. So you will need 8 eggs, and you also gonna need 2 separate bowls, 2 separate egg yolks from egg white. So this is how I separate my egg yolks from the egg white. But however you can do it, as long as the yolk is separated from the egg white, it's fine. So now to whisk the egg white, you will need 3 tablespoons of sugar and a cream of tartar. Since I didn't have a cream of tartar, I just added a little bit of vinegar, so you can do that as well. So it might take you a few minutes, so this is how the final look should be. 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extra, 3 tablespoons of vanilla syrup, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of milk. So you mix all those together. So now you add the whisk egg white to the egg yolk. So now we combine all the ingredients together. So now you preheat your oven for 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And you're gonna need your baking pan and also your baking paper. You then place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. So now wash your strawberries and cut them into small pieces. To make the filling, you will need 1/4 cup of heavy milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you just add the strawberry to that. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, 1 drop of red coloring, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you whisk all that together. Once again, this might take you a few minutes, but you whisk all that together until it becomes thick like this. And this is how the strawberry paste should look. And I'm adding that to my heavy cream that I just whisked, and I'm mixing all that together. So after 30 minutes is up, you take your cake out the oven. What I did, I left it in a room temperature to cool it down for about 20 minutes. Now what you're gonna do is pre-roll it to give the cake the shape that you want it to have. So now you add your filling inside and you roll it back, leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or less, and you're good to go. So this is the final look. Now I'm putting my strawberries on top, and the powerful thing about making your own cake is that you can just put whatever you want. As for me, I don't like that much sugar in the cake, so I made sure that I didn't put too much sugar. And also, it doesn't have to be only strawberries. You can add other fruits as you wish. Honestly, there's not much I can say because this cake is already self-explanatory. So like I mentioned earlier, I just learned how to bake a cake about 3 months ago. So if I'm able to bake this cake, you guys can do it too. On that note, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like for more recipes. Thank you for watching.